Good news today, guys. I've got the unobtainable ammunition, for me anyways. It's the Lapua Super Long Range. We're not shooting super long range today. We're only shooting 50 yards, but I'm super excited to try this ammo out and hope you guys are excited to see it. Now let's get to shooting. So here we are back in my backyard range at 50 yards, and today a special little video with Lapua Super Long Range. We're not shooting super long range, but I'm kind of curious to see what the difference is between the long range and super long range. I noticed last week that the long range was over supersonic, almost, well, every shot was. It was over 11, 10 pretty much every shot. So what's this stuff gonna do? I find the best accuracy is when you're just breaking the sound barrier out of the muzzle, and then subsonic for the rest of the flight. But let's see if this is the same case scenario or if it's a little different. And today we're using the stock barrel, my CZ457 LRP, and I have the Discovery Optics ED-PRS 5-25. Works really good for 22s for sure. So let's get to shooting. First, probably 10 rounds will be on the center target, just getting dialed, and then we'll do 4 or 5 shot groups, or probably like last week, 3 5-shot groups and 1 10 at the end, just to get a better sample of what's going on. Now I'm just gonna find my natural point of aim on my target. And the rifle just falls onto the target, right about there. Nice and square behind the rifle. And that's about it. Okay, let's go. First shot on center. Actually, top edge of that diamond. We do have a bit of wind, but it's just the way it is around here, so bear with it. Sounded a lot hotter than last week, and we're a bit high again, so. Okay, well, can't say it's as good as last week's group. Let's try another 5. It's definitely supersonic ammo. A little bit high and a little bit right. Ooh, point of aim, point of impact. Group opened up a little bit compared to last week's groups with the regular long range, but we're not gonna make any conclusions yet. We have 30 more rounds to fire. So maybe I'll come down one and we'll go right one. Something's chewing on my leg. Okay. And I'm gonna hold top corner of the diamond, top edge, the point. One whole group looks not too bad. We'll do the same on target number 2. This one, top edge again. You know what? 4 or 5-shot groups, just like last week. We'll do 2 on the next target, and then we'll do 10 to finish it off. So here we go. Top right target, top corner of the diamond. a little bit right still. And the wind is coming from right to left. And it's picking up now. Didn't make any effect on the bullet though. Pretty good ammo. I think we have, yeah, so we'll do 2 5-shot groups on the next target now. Down below, but pretty impressed with this stuff. I'm not sure if there's a price difference on this. I'll put it up here right now if there is. If not, then I just pointed to the sky for no reason. Group number 3, top edge of the bottom right target. Wow. I don't think there's anything in the way. And why'd that go so far to the right? Very weird. Point of impact shift like that. One more. Still grouping, but all right, we'll try that. And we'll go to the bottom and shoot another 5. Kind of rushed that one and I think I pulled it down. But now is time for the last 10-shot group. Now I'm just going to hold dead center just like last week. Let's see what we can do here. Natural point of aim. Consistency is key, any kind of shooting sport. Here we go. That was weak, and because of that, we didn't eject. Their thing. Definitely gotta pull the bolt back. Can't just slide her back. Can't be too gentle. Here we go. 9 more shots. Ooh. Last one. Well, still probably an MOA size group for 10 shots. I think the long range did a little bit better. I could be wrong though. We'll have to measure up this group, put it up right now, as well as the chronograph data. We'll check that out. Maybe I'll even compare it to last week's videos. We'll put both of them up just to see, because this stuff seems pretty hot. It didn't shoot quite as well, as far as I know, just by looking at it right now. Still did very well. Well guys, it was fun. Thanks for coming out and watching the video with Super Long Range. Soon enough we'll get it out there, but I have to wait till the field's out before I can start running ATVs and stuff through the field with my trailer, my target trailer. So that'll be another couple of months from now, but then I'll do all my long range stuff before the winter again. Hope you guys enjoy this little video, and Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all next week. Take care, guys.